Welcome, Wastelanders! Today we're cooking up a storm right here at our makeshift cooking station. Get ready to boost your survival skills with a dish that's sure to increase your agility. Today's recipe? Brahmin Twice-Baked Tato Roots. First up, let's talk ingredients. We're not just making any tato roots, we're twice baking them to double the deliciousness. And to add that wasteland flair, we're using pickled Brahmin meat and fermented cabbage. Let's start with our special sauce. Grab a bowl and mix together half a cup of mayonnaise, a quarter cup of ketchup, a tablespoon of ground mustard, half a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a teaspoon of dried dill, and 2 teaspoons of prepared horseradish. Stir well and set this aside for later. Preheat your oven, or fire pit, to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Wash and dry 2 large tato roots, then pierce them a few times with a fork to let them breathe in that heat. Bake for about an hour, or until they're tender. After they're cooked, let them cool just enough to handle, then slice each tato root in half lengthwise. Carefully scoop out the insides, leaving about a 1/4 inch thick wall. Make sure not to tear that shell. In a large pot over your fire, melt 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, along with 2 ounces of cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Add your scooped tato root flesh and mash until smooth. If you'd like, sprinkle in some caraway seeds for that extra zing. Season with salt and pepper. Now let's assemble these beauties. Spread a dollop of our special sauce into each tato skin. Spoon in your mashed tato mixture. Then top with our fermented cabbage and Brahmin meat. Remember, pickling the Brahmin meat and then simmering for several hours will ensure it's as tender as can be. Sprinkle a generous amount of Swiss cheese on top. Pop them back into the oven, or over the fire, and bake at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Then let's get that cheese nicely browned by broiling for another 2 to 3 minutes. And there you have it, fellow survivors, Brahmin Twice-Baked Tato Roots. Eating this will boost your agility by 1 point for 30 whole minutes, perfect for dodging those raiders or catching your next meal. Until next time, stay safe and keep your pit boys tuned for more Wasteland cooking tips.